If you are having issue while using Android application on your Chromebook, then you can remove Google Play Store support from your Chromebook. So that's been said, let's get started. To remove Google Play Store support from your Chromebook, simply open Setting application. For that, you can simply click on this Quick Access menu. Here click on this gear icon to open Setting page. Here click on Apps option and here look for Google Play Store. Simply click on this arrow icon and here you will find an option to remove Google Play Store. For that, simply click on this remove button. Here you will find a prompt that says application you have downloaded from Google Play Store will be deleted from this Chromebook. If you want to confirm this action, simply click on remove Android apps. Once done, you can simply restart your system to complete the action. For that, simply click on this Wi-Fi and battery icon, click on this power icon, here click on restart button. This will restart your system. So that's it. This is how you can remove Google Play Store support on your Chromebook. However, we don't recommend you to remove Google Play Store support from your Chromebook. If you wish, you can re-enable Google Play Store. So we already have a video on how you can enable Google Play Store support on your Chromebook. So I'll put the video link in the description box or you will get the video link in the I button. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.